Hi everybody, if you want to see how I install this wig that I made, keep watching. Alright, so I like to use a brown wig cap, the darkest one. There is one a little darker than this. I think I'm going to try that next, but I like to use this one because it's less work. The hair I'm using comes from Beauty Forever hair. I have 20, 18, and 16 and a 14-inch closure. If you want to see how I make this beginner wig, just click on the link above. I added an elastic band just to help keep it secure. Later on, I'll go back in and add some wig combs. So I attempted to bleach the closure, but for some reason the knots would not turn. And then I just decided to stop because I didn't want to over process it. So I'm going in with my foundation, powdered foundation, to give those knots a color that's close to my skin complexion. You can use a sponge or a brush depending on how thick or dense your brush is. You can just use the brush. But I like to go in and just place that foundation on the areas that I know will show. This is a 4x4 closure, so I only place it on the areas that I know will show. I won't be making any other parts because the closure is so small. Once you've placed the wig on, go ahead and add extra foundation to the areas that you need more foundation. If you need to push the cap underneath forward, do that because you're able to see everything. Now, I did not melt or glue this down because I take this off every night. I do not wear this. I don't want to sleep in it. That's why I have it a wig, made it into a wig, because I don't want to sleep in it. And if I want to change my hair the next day, I can do that, or wear my natural hair the next day, I can do that also. Don't worry about the area that looks or seems lighter that's touching your skin, the part of that lace, because once you put the Got To Be glue gel on there, it will just melt and everything will blend together. So go ahead and just style your baby hairs the way you like. I leave mine a little long because sometimes I want them a little longer, sometimes I want them a little shorter. It's up to you. I like to use the Tresemme Flawless Curls. It doesn't leave my hair too hard, or it doesn't make it matted later on in the day, and it also smells really good. I'm also going to use some wax just to lay down these flyaways. You can use any wax to get this job done, or gel if it's thick enough. So this is it, you guys. Beauty Forever hair with a wig that I made, and I like it. I love this hair. I'll give you an update on this hair later on. And again, if you want to see how to make this wig, click on the links in the description box, and I'll see you all next time.